In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a size chart in Shopify using the Dawn theme step by step. Whether you want to help customers choose the right size, reduce returns, or simply make your product pages look more professional, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open and log into your Shopify admin. Once inside, click on Customize to open the theme editor. Once you're inside the editor, look at the drop-down menu at the top and select Products. Then click on Default Product. This will open the product page layout where we can make changes, so make sure you're following along carefully. Next, switch to the mobile view so you can clearly see the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll see the product page template. What we're going to do here is add a new block. Click on Add Block and then select Collapsible Row. This is perfect for adding a size chart without cluttering the page. Now, move over to the right-hand settings panel. In the collapsible row title, type Size Chart. You can also add a ruler icon to make it look cleaner and more professional. For the content source, for the page title, type Size Chart. Now, click Add Image, then Insert Image, and upload the screenshot you just saved. Click Done once the image is added. After inserting the image, set the alignment to center so it looks neat and easy to view. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply your changes. Finally, go to your store and test it out. Click on a product, open the size chart dropdown, and you'll see your size chart displayed there. It might look a bit small at first, but customers can easily zoom in on their phones, so that's not an issue at all. It looks clean, simple, and very handy for shoppers. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a size chart to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme easily and professionally. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.